Good morning everyone. My name is Narendra. Roll number 20951 Subject Basic Electric Engineering. Concept Characteristics of DC Shunt Generator. Characteristics of DC Shunt Generator. In shunt on DC generator, the field windings are connected in parallel with armature conductors as shown in figures below. In this type of generators, the armature current IA divides in two parts. One part is the shunt field current ISH flows through shunt field winding, and other part is load current IL. Here, this figure shows the shunt own generator. This figure the shunt own generator contains load, armature, shunt field. Here, load current is passing through the load, and IA is passing out from armature. This curve is drawn between shunt field current and the no load voltage. For a given excitation, current or field current, the EMF generated at no load E0 varies in proportionality with the rotational speed of the armature. Here in the diagram, the magnetic characteristic curve of various. Due to residual magnetism, the curve starts from a point A slightly up from origin O. The upper portions of the curves are bent due to saturation. The external load resistance of the machine needs to be maintained greater than its critical value, otherwise the machine will not excite or will stop running off. The characteristics of DC generator, shunt generator. Critical load resistance of shunt on DC generator. This is minimum external load resistance which is required to excite shunt generator. The graph shows that no load voltage to magnet or open circuit characteristics. X-axis flows field current and Y-axis flows no load voltage. Here internal characteristics of shunt owned DC generator. The internal characteristics curve represent the relation between the generated voltage EG and the load current IL. When the generator is loaded, then the generator voltage is decreased due to armature reaction. So generator voltage will be lower than the EMF generator at no load. Here in the figure. External characteristics of shunt on DC generator. AC curve is showing the external characteristics of the shunt on DC generators. It is showing the variation of terminal voltage with the load current. Ohmic drop due to armature resistance gives lesser terminal voltage the generator voltage. That is why the curve lies between the internal characteristics of DC shunt. The terminal voltage can always be maintained constant by adjusting the load terminal. The graph shows that load current and terminal voltage, generator voltage. Here the armature reaction drop, ohmic drop, and internal characteristics, external characteristics. X-axis flows that load current and Y-axis. When the load resistance of shunt DC generator is decreased, then load current of the generator increased. But the load current can be increased to be certain limit with the decrease of load resistance. Behind this point, it shows a reversal in the characteristics. Any decrease of load resistance results in current reduction of consequently the eternal. Now when I increased the terminal voltage decreased after a certain limit due to heavy load current and increased ohmic drop. The terminal voltage is reduced drastically. The drastic reduction of terminal voltage across the load result the drop in the load current, although at the time load is high or low resistance is low. That is why low resistance of the. Thank you.